Hello dear crafters! Ready for a fun tutorial? Today we'll be learning how to make a lovely sock doll. Grab a pattern sock and let's get started. First, cut the sock into 2 parts. Then, grab a needle and thread and stitch the parts together. Next, fill the sock with polyester fiber fill. Define the head from the rest of the body with this super easy step. Take a pencil and define the limbs of the doll as demonstrated. Next, all you have to do is stitch over the marked lines. This is such a simple and fun tutorial. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Once you're done with the arms, go ahead and define the doll's legs. You can make the doll for your kid, niece, or nephew. We believe they would love it, as it's a unique doll. Nicely secure the doll with thread. It's decorating time. Let's beautify this doll a little bit. Use 2 small sock pieces as pockets. Time to work on the hair of the doll. We have decided to use yellow ribbon. Stitch ribbon strips all around the head. Such a brilliant idea! This hair looks amazing! Now, let's define the face features. Use black thread for the eyes and red thread for the lips. Now, it's your turn. Go ahead and make your own doll. A wonderful DIY project. Absolutely amazing!